Hello friends, today I'll be teaching you all how to solve a third order determinant. Yes, so we'll be discussing about solving a 3 by 3 determinant. Now 3 by 3 determinant has 3 rows and 3 columns. So let us begin by defining a 3 by 3 determinant. Say D equal to, now let us consider a few elements as 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, and 1, 2, 4. Now remember, a 3 by 3 determinant could be solved along first row, third row, first column or third column. Now here we are considering the first row. So the first term of the first row is 1, so we just write down 1. Okay, that's perfect. Now eliminate the row and column containing 1, so we are left with 0, 1, 2, 4. So we form a second order determinant, 0, 1, 2, 4. Okay, now we move to the second term of R1, which is minus 1. Remember to change the sign of the second term always. Yes, sign change of second term. So it's minus 1, so we write it as plus 1. Now again, what we do is eliminate the row and the column containing minus 1, so we are left with 3, 1, 1, 4. Just write it down as 3, 1, 1, 4. Now we go to the third term, which is 2. Yes, so there's 2 now. So we have positive 2, so we write plus 2, and the same process as before. Eliminate the row and column of 2, so we are left with 3, 0, 1, 2. So we write as 3, 0, 1, 2. So now it's just a simple second order determinant. Yes, now it's easy, right? So 1 into, it is 0 minus 2 plus 1 into, say, 12 minus 1 plus 2 into 6 minus 0. Yeah, we further simplify this as 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 11 plus 2 into 6, which results in minus 2 plus 11 plus 12. So finally we get the answer as 3 minus 23. So 21 is the final answer. Yeah, so that's the final answer. So please remember to change the sign of the second term. So happy learning.